More and more dairy farmers have noticed that their treatment of dairy cattle greatly influences the choices of their customers. Therefore, they're starting to pay attention to building positive human-animal relationships. In this video, we're going to show you what a positive human-animal relationship is, how to develop it, and why we should care about it in the case of dairy animals. A positive human-animal relationship can result in a positive outcome, which is positive emotion and welfare of animals. Animals show these qualities by signs of interactions with humans and begin to seek interaction with humans. Also, the interaction with humans itself should be satisfying for the animal. On the other hand, animals' tendency to avoid humans can be seen as a sign of negative human-animal relationship because it indicates fear of the humans. To develop a positive human and animal relationship, there is something you need to know. First, due to the differences of species, the interaction between our species and theirs must be different. For some animals like sheep, tender handling is enough, while for some animals like poultry, visual contact is enough. Therefore, the processes of building positive human relationships with each animal are different. Second, the age of an animal can greatly affect the development of human-animal relationships. Research has shown that it is easier to develop a positive human-animal relationship with young animals than with old animals because young animals have a higher ability to learn and will have fewer negative memories of humans. Therefore, it is better to interact with young animals than old animals to build a positive relationship. Third, we have to know the difference between a relationship and a single interaction. In short, a relationship is a series of interactions, and the amount of interaction should be high enough for animals to remember previous interactions with humans and predict future interactions with humans. Therefore, animals' familiarity with humans is important. The sufficient amount of interaction can vary due to the difference of animals. For some animals like dogs and horses, a small amount of interaction is enough to build familiarity. Finally, some characteristics of humans can affect the development of human-animal relationships. Humans' ability to handle their knowledge about and their attitude towards animals can affect relationship development because these characteristics predict behaviors of humans, and human behavior can eventually affect animal behavior. Research has shown that some animals, like dogs, can recognize humans' facial expressions, and that they like softer expressions. Therefore, appropriate skills, attitude, and knowledge is needed to develop positive human relationships. Even though the process of building relationships with animals is not fully understood, by combining the information mentioned, we can find suitable ways to interact with animals. We have answered the question of what a positive relationship is and how it should be developed. Now we want to answer the question, why should we even care about human-animal relationship? And can we use dairy animals as an example? In short, a positive animal relationship is not only beneficial for dairy animals, but also for humans. It can bring high profit and safety for stock people. With better welfare and emotion, the productivity of animals increases, and the quality of milk increases as well, which can generate more profits for humans. Also, since the treatment of dairy animals can affect the attitude of customers, customers are more willing to accept products that are from animals with a better welfare. Also, a positive human-animal relationship can protect stock people from injuries. Research has shown that dairy animals under a negative human-animal relationship are more nervous, and stock people may be hurt during the process of milking. Even though the lack of fear for animals is not sufficient for a positive relationship, it is still commonly used to indicate the quality of human-animal relationship. The measurement of animals' fear is called avoidance distance, which is the minimum distance that an animal allows the person to approach. Let's recap. A positive human-animal relationship is a relationship that can result in the positive emotion and welfare of animals. The factors of species, age, familiarity, and human characteristics can affect the development of human-animal relationship. A positive relationship, in the case of dairy animals, can bring more profit and safety to stock people. As more and more people pay attention to relationships with animals, both animals and humans can have a better life. Thank you for watching.